So lastly, number 12, create an example to explain the difference between a ratio, rate, and proportion. So starting out, I compared ratios in comparison to proportions. So ratios are the comparison of two quantities of the same unit, in which proportions refers to the quality of two ratios. Ratios are considered as an expression, while proportions are considered equations that can be solved. Rates are different because they involve the dimension of time into the denominator. So for my example, I used this question, which is going to turn into an expression and proportion. So there are 80 students in the class, 30 are boys, and the rest of the students are girls. Evaluate the following. So the ratio would be the boys to girls and the girls to boys in the class. The proportion would be the proportion of boys and girls in the class. So the ratio to boys to girls would be 30, 50, or 3 to 5. In other words, I'm sorry, I said that wrong. 30 to 50 or 3 to 5. The ratio of girls to boys would be the opposite, which would be 50 to 30 or 5 to 3. Meaning for every 3 boys there are 5 girls, or for every 5 girls there are 3 boys. So for proportion, you're going to take that 30 for boys divided by 80, which would make 3 out of 8 being boys. And just like that for the girls, proportion, it's going to be 50 divided by 80, or 5 out of 8 students are girls. Meaning that every 3 in 8 students is a boy, and 5 in every 8 students is a girl. Rates, like I said, are different because you add the dimension of time into the denominator. So for example, what are the number of deaths per 100 Canadians in 1 year? The year adds the timing effect to it. Whereas a proportion would say, what are the number of Canadians with cancer divided by the total population? So on and so forth. It's incredible how easy it is to forget what could be seen as elementary math. But like I said, sorry about the delay, guys. It won't happen again.